Hi, Voltas has posted its Q3 FY24 result yesterday evening. Today I was there in the management call of Voltas a few hours back. How was the result of Voltas? Voltas result in this quarter was not good at all. Rather, they the type of result they have posted created a concern on certain areas. Now the question is, what made the result so poor for Voltas? So let me take you through the financials of Voltas. Uh, this is the third quarter result this year, this financial year of Voltas. In the top line, it has posted a robust 31% growth year on year basis. Still, why I am saying result was not good? Just because of the fact, just have a look at the EBITDA. EBITDA is down by 63% year on year. Last year same quarter, Voltas posted 76 crore of EBITDA. Now it has squeezed to 28 crore only. And just have a look at the margin. EBITDA margin dropped to 1%. So the company is under pressure in last 4 5 quarters on continuous basis. You can see have a like gradual drop in the at the EBITDA level. Now it is low double digit. So before that, last year September quarter, even the company posted EBITDA, 3 digit of EBITDA. Now it has gradually dropped to low double digit. EBITDA margin is mere 1%. Just have a look at the bottom line. Somehow the company managed to post a positive net profit, except means excluding their share of associates income and JV's income. So just because of the fact of this other income, like traditionally other income is on the higher side for Voltas. This quarter, as usual, it posted 58 crore of other income, and EBT stood at 59.9 crore, means 60 crore of EBT. Earnings before tax is 60 crore. Out of that, 58 crore is the other income only. So actual operating profit is only 2 crore. Just have a look at the bottom line after JV and associates share. It's a loss of 28 crore. Now the question is, why Volta's numbers are so poor? Number one. Number two, despite that, today the stock was 7% up. But please note that Voltas is not a buy, sell, hold recommendation from my end. So if you have any interest in this particular company, take your call by yourself, or take the advice from a registered advisor. Now have a look at the three segment of their business, specifically the unitary cooling product, which is the largest segment for the company, and the electromechanical project and services. Now unitary cooling product, which is nothing but the room air conditioner and commercial air conditioner segment of the company, posted a robust 50 posted a robust how much growth rate is 1475 crore. It's let me compute, just a moment. It is not computed, so it's a 21% growth year on year basis. The unitary cooling product posted a 21% growth. Electromechanical project and services segment posted a 51% very handsome growth. And engineering products and services, although its contribution is nothing, see mere 6%. So that also posted 31% growth. All round growth is visible. But then what happened at the EBITDA level? Why EBITDA is so squeezed? If you would say the consumption of raw material, yes, it has gone up 56% last year, same quarter, to 66% now. So almost 1000 basis point of increase in the raw material consumption cost. The problem is the company could not pass on, but that is not the reason behind raw material cost. Steel prices are continuously up, and it's off its high, but still it's holding an elevated level. So its raw material consumption cost is high. It's like we can understand this quite well. And the management said they are unable to pass on. That is also a reason, but that is not the key reason. Why the result was so poor? The reason behind is the, just have a look at the segment performance of electromechanical project and services. The company has continuously been posting, continuously posting loss in this particular segment. Since December quarter, the company started posting loss, 46 crore, then 14 crore. December 2022, I'm referring. Means last year, same quarter, the company posted a loss of 46 crore, then in March, 14 crore, 51, 52 crore, 49 crore, and now 120 crore. Now the problem is like why this electromechanical project segment is witnessing a significant loss. The reason behind, the company is what the management said earlier also, the company has exposure in the foreign market, in the overseas market. Qatar is the place where the company has the highest exposure in the various projects. Now the problem is the company had got stuck in, means Voltas got stuck in three projects. Exactly, the company is not, means management is not saying three projects, they are saying 2 3 projects. I'm considering three projects. Out of that, in certain cases, there are receivables. Let me tell you, there are receivables due, which is not being cleared. The company has handed over the project, completed the project for most of the cases, and handed over the same to the contractor, like for whom the company, like Voltas, was working. They've handed over the project, but they are yet to receive the receivable, yet to receive their fees. Now the problem is, uh, there are, the management mentioned two kinds of problems. One problem is, let's say the company is stuck not getting their dues. This is one kind of problem. Another kind of problem, uh, like the management mentioned, the contractor to whom Voltas deals with is encashing the bank guarantee to make quick money. Despite handing over the project, payments are held. The company has opted the legal way to retrieve the fund. Now the management has approached the court to retrieve their stuck payment, and the management is expecting a solution by the court by another 24 to 30 months. 24 to 30 months, yes. So for the moment, the company is creating the provisions, and whatever 120 crore is getting reflected, or let's say in the earlier quarter also we have seen loss at the from this particular segment, that also arises due to this this due to their international project business. So that is also reason behind why overall Voltas is not doing well, or Voltas could not do good. Now the question is, despite that, how Voltas price is appreciating? For, let's say, price has appreciated more than 40% from its recent bottom. The other division, that is the unitary cooling product division, that is doing quite well. and the company has some significant market share in their room air conditioning segment. Almost, they said, after Q3 they have how much, 19.7%, I think they have mentioned 19.7%, 19% market share. They are saying 19% market share in the split AC segment. Window AC segment, they have around 35% market share, and overall 19.2% market share in the AC segment, in the RAC, means room air conditioning segment. So their commercial segment growth is also quite encouraging. So these segments are basically driving the growth for Voltas. So once the unitary cooling products segments problem, once the electromechanical project segment, that is the Qatar problem, will be resolved, that will augur well for the future of Voltas. Now the question is, how long will it take? Right. So it can be like, as the management is expecting 2 years, 2.5 years. So if it is if it gets sorted in 2.5 years, okay, so that is a visible future. And like this segment, like the traction is getting from the other segment, this segment also, like once the normalcy would come, it will reflect in their numbers, in their bottom line. So that is it. So overall it looks good, but it does not mean that it's a buy. I have no recommendation in this particular stock, and whatever I have discussed here, that is just for knowledge sharing. And see, actually a buy or a sell can be considered once you have a clear cut visibility in terms of its future. uh, I had a recommendation in Voltas, you know some time back. So then it was like the bottom which is visible, like the uh, current bottom of which is visible at that point of time. So there is no point, I feel there is no point jumping into it, jumping into any stock after a movement of 40-45%. So the future will be again, like the visibility of the electromechanical project will determine the future of Voltas and Voltas stock prices. So that is not certain at this point of time. So I don't have any recommendation, any call on this particular stock at this point of time. Neither a hold, nor a buy, nor a sell, nothing. So please take the call accordingly. So that's it regarding Voltas, and we'll come up with other interesting stocks and latest developments. So stay tuned. Thank you.